Hi students, welcome to Smarter Everyday Overlearning. Dear students, today's our topic is about orbital overlap concept. And in this concept, I'm going to give you a brief information about the covalent bond. Dear students, first of all you have to know just the introduction of this orbital overlapping concept. According to this concept, the lowering of energy takes place when atomic orbitals of the approaching atoms partially interpenetrate into each other. That means overlap into each other. Just like these two atoms, if you take as an example, these must be overlapping with each other. This is the main basic concept here today's session. And the definition of the covalent bond. A covalent bond is formed by the partial overlap of two half-filled atomic orbitals containing electrons with opposite spin. Opposite spin, nothing but if you take the orbital like this and these two electrons must be located inside the orbital with opposite spins. That must be plus half and minus half. If it is locating in the upward direction, the value should be plus half. If it is locating in downward direction, the value should be minus half. The partial overlap means that a part of the electron cloud, students, if you see the electron cloud like this, of each of the half-filled atomic orbitals, here one single electron must be located in the electron cloud, and as a result the probability of finding the electron in the region of the overlapping much more than at other places. Dear students, the definition of orbital you came to know here. This is an electron cloud. The probability of finding the electron inside the orbit, in a specific orbit, it is known as an orbital. Here in between these two atoms, the strength of the bond depends upon the exact overlapping, and greater the overlapping is stronger the bond formation. That means if these two atoms are overlapping, the strength of the overlapping, that means the strength of these two bonds can be depends upon with how much force they are overlapping with each other. Just to understand the concept more clearly, let us consider the following examples for this. First one, formation of hydrogen molecule. When two hydrogen atoms having electrons with opposite spin. If you take an example, here this is an hydrogen atom and this is an hydrogen atom. These two hydrogen atoms which are having two opposite spins like this, hydrogen atom. This is one hydrogen atom. This completely we can call it as hydrogen molecule. When these two atoms come together, that means come close to each other, their s orbitals overlap with each other, resulting in the union of two atoms to form a molecule. That means see, hydrogen atomic number 1 and electronic configuration is 1s1. So here this is the s orbital of the hydrogen atom. By combining these two atoms, we'll get H2 molecules. It can be like this. This is H2 molecule which is having two electrons with opposite spins. Middle of the atom there is a nucleus like here like this. This is also nucleus, middle of the atom, and if you see the electron here, it is having the spin opposite, that is in upward direction. So the direction of this electron, the movement of this electron must be like this, clockwise direction, and here also like this. In terms of electron cloud picture, you can observe this picture. See the formation of H2 molecule here. This is 1s atomic orbital and this is also 1s atomic orbital, and by overlapping these two atomic orbitals, here overlapping takes place covalent bond has been formed here. Formation of covalent bond takes place. These are the nucleus. This is electron cloud, and totally hydrogen molecule, H2 molecule, overlapping takes place here. Covalent bond has been formed. Let's see the second example for this, formation of hydrogen fluoride molecule here. In case of formation of hydrogen fluoride molecule, when one atom of fluorine atomic number 9 and electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. This is the electronic configuration of the fluorine, and see the orbital wise electronic configuration. This is 1s orbital and this is 2s orbital, and this one is 2px and 2py and 2pz orbital. Here 2 electrons, 1s2 like this, and 2p5, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 2py orbital. Having one unpaired electron in 2pz with upward direction spin. This p orbital come closer to hydrogen atom with electron of opposite spin in its 1s orbital. Then the two half-filled orbital overlap with each other. This is hydrogen atom. Configuration is 1s1. This is 1s orbital. Here one electron must be located. So here must be overlapping takes place in between these two atomic orbitals. Let's see the diagrammatic representation for this overlap. Here if you see, this is one hydrogen atom with one electron. This is 1s orbital of hydrogen atom. Plus in fluorine atom there is one single electron which is present in 2pz orbital. So if you draw the p orbital structure, 2px, 2py and 2pz, which is having one electron here. This belongs to fluorine atom. In 2pz orbital, one single electron is located here, and by overlapping these two orbitals we will get finally, this is 2px and 2py and here 2pz. In 2px there are two completely filled electrons like this, and coming to 2pz orbital, here overlapping takes place. And students, this is HF molecule. After overlapping, hydrogen fluoride molecule has been formed here. Example 3, formation of fluorine molecule. When an atom of fluorine, atomic number 9 and its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Okay students, and if you see these electrons in specific orbitals, we will get, this is 1s orbital, 2s orbital, and this one is 2px and 2py, 2pz orbital, 1s2 and here 2s2. Coming to p orbital, the specification must be 2, 3 and 4, 5. So this fluorine approaches another atom of fluorine. Why? Because the fluorine molecular formula is F2, so that two fluorine atoms should be presented here. This is one fluorine atom and this is another fluorine atom. Here see, 2pz orbital has only single electron here. Then this orbital, that means the half-filled atomic orbital, overlap each other, resulting the formation of a fluorine molecule. Diagrammatic representation of the formation of fluorine molecule here. See, the first one is fluorine atom. The first one, fluorine atom, the orbital structure must be like this. That is 2px and 2py, here 2pz orbital. Here also same, px and py and pz orbital. By combining these two, finally the structure will be like this. And students, this is one fluorine atom, and here also second fluorine atom, and the finally formed molecule should be F2 molecule. X orbital contains 2 electrons like this, and 2py also contains 2 electrons, 2px and 2py like this, and 2pz only it has single electron, 2px full filled with 2 electrons, 2py full filled with 2 electrons, 2pz only contain half filled orbital here with 2 opposite spins. By combining these two, we should get like this. These 2 electrons with opposite spins are combining here, and here 2 electrons are same, here also same. This is the structure for F2 molecule after overlapping the p orbitals. Okay students, this is about today's class. Just recall what we have learned in this class. First one, orbital overlapping concept and the covalent bond definition I have explained to you by taking the example of formation of hydrogen molecule here, and what is meant by overlap also I explained you, and H2 molecule formation with electron clouds overlapping takes place and how the covalent bond has been formed here, and afterwards formation of hydrogen fluoride molecule explained to you with the help of this orbital molecular structure, and last one is formation of fluorine molecule also I have explained to you. This is the structure for F2 molecule. Okay students, if you understand this class, you can subscribe to this channel, and if you are having any doubts, you can convey that doubt in the comment section. Thank you for watching.